Welcome back to our channel. Today we actually had something fun planned for this week. We were going to record our hike that we did this week, but guys, it was a lot harder of a hike than we thought, and
pushed her a little too hard.
It definitely wasn't like a day hike, and we did it in a day, and so we really didn't have a lot of time to like film and do things. So I got some short clips that I'll probably enter in right here. We are at Canyon Creek Lake in the Trinity Alps, and let me tell you, it's really freaking pretty. Look at that. Look at that. I'm just gonna show you the landscape actually, because like, wow. And Buster, poor Buster, he had no idea what he was getting himself into.
16 miles round in and out.
Yep, so we've only done 8 miles, and we are about to head back down. Any positive reassurance for...
Just keep swimming.
It's a really hard hike, guys, but it's very worth the view. So we just wanted to show you it because, I mean, we don't really know if we're gonna put this in a vlog or not, but we'll see.
It would be worth it.
Say hi, Buster! He kind of hates us right now. Can't tell. Like, he's just staring at us. Like,
mean mugging.
He doesn't like us, which is fine. I mean, I don't really like me either right now. I don't know why I got myself into this.
My fault.
So, we'll see you at the bottom.
One thing really do want. You see that you're the worst, but I don't know. Is that true? People feel the silence with things they think they know. Baby, that's why I just be free and let it all go. Let's go. I don't care what you say, it's true. Don't matter to me, 'cause I want you.
Today we are doing a sushi date, but unlike other sushi dates where you go out to eat, we are actually going to try and make it at home. Ourselves. And we've done this before and it was a lot of fun. So
a lot of work.
A lot of work, but it was a lot of fun. So we are going to do it again for you today. So stay tuned. All right, first step is we started the sushi rice. Once that's done, we're gonna have to cool it, and then we are steaming some edamame as a little snack while we make it. I just realized a lot of people are probably gonna question why the hell there's a chopstick coming out of the top of our rice. I don't have a rice cooker, and I always found my rice taking forever to cook, because all of my little lids have little holes on the top of it, so the rice isn't absorbing it. And finally I was like, you know what, I'm just going to stick a chopstick in there, and it works. Cooks in like 15 minutes. So I got coconut shrimp for like the tempura inside the rolls, because I don't know how to make tempura, so gotta do this.
Easy.
Ooh, almost dropped that. 400. 400? There we go. Okay, so we need to make the spicy mayonnaise next. Okay, like a shicer's.
I missed.
Babe, you just got it all over the cabinets. Oh! Spicy mayonnaise. Done.
Gross.
Did you get a new piercing, babe? Let's see it.
I hope it's not gonna work.
Do it on your nose.
Ow!
What are we gonna eat? Ah! Okay. No! mental breakdown. Ow. So I am shredding up the
Doing a great job.
crab. Gonna do a little bit of the spicy mayonnaise in here.
That's what happens when she's hungry.
I'm so hungry. There's so much food around me. Nothing.
You're rapping.
Yo, my name is Cassie. I really like some sushi.
It was horrible. It was horrible.
Y'all, I'm so excited! We've got avocado, cucumber, jalapeno, cilantro, green onions, garlic chips. That's right, I said garlic chips. Why isn't it not focused? There we are. Garlic chips, asparagus, shrimp, spicy crab, spicy tuna, sushi rice. We've got spicy mayonnaise, maguro, hoisin sauce, and sriracha. Start rolling. Always keep your hands wet and just kind of dig in the rice and flatten it out. Now you take the nori and the rice.
What's nori?
I think it's this stuff. I thought that's what the name of it was,
Very
right?
specific.
The seaweed.
Oh.
Oh no.
Oh yes.
Okay. How do I do that? Is that what this... I don't know what that's for then.
Boom.
Okay. Oh, you flip it over and you stuff it with whatever you want. Remember we made the roll like crazy big last time.
I was just thinking that same thing.
So it's like, just like, little goes a long way is what we learned. So this is the hard part, which I'm nervous for. Voila! Okay, so this one is inspired by one of my favorite rolls, a place called McCooney's in Sacramento. So I've got maguro, asparagus, bacon, jalapeno, sesame seeds. I'm gonna do a dash of, let's see if I can do sesame oil. Oops. I'm gonna do that one more time. There you go. And then on each one, and then inside each one is spicy crab. Now for the hard part. I don't know how to do this.
Oh, these are the sliders.
Mm-hmm.
Good. Okay.
Okay. Shrimp tempura. Not really, but that's okay.
Close enough. You forgot to flip it over.
Oh no!
It's gonna be an inside out roll.
I don't want it to be an inside out roll. Can I take it all off?
If you want to.
It's gonna be
What
like
time is it? Demo time.
Shoot! Do what we were originally at. So now we're going to roll it. All of our rolls are finished and they are looking pretty good. We got
decent.
We had some fun with the decorations.
Decoratone.
We don't really clean up as we go. So we're
That's
gonna
usually tomorrow's job.
Yeah, we're gonna pretend that's not there. Anyway, spicy tuna roll. We don't know what to call this one. It's delicious though. It's the one I just made. And these are our tuna sliders. And we also have Ian Speedy Gonzalez is what he calls them, one of our favorite sushi spots in Tahoe. Made these for us and we love them. So we are going to enjoy our rolls and we will catch you next time.
But don't forget about the little sake, the $5 sake.
So stupid, so stupid. Anyways, we will catch you next time. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up, like, subscribe, and we appreciate all of you guys who are still watching.
See you next week.